Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals. A lot of BOGO deals still here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Guys, if you guys see a box like this that's broken like that, you guys can take it to customer service, get yourself a nice discount on it. Yeah, we still got the BOGO deals, the $99 deals, the Ryobi. So you buy that battery kit, you can get any of those tools for free. You get the edge trimmer, you can get the impact driver, the glue gun, the oscillating tool, the fan. That's the new fan, by the way. You got the inverter, the power source inverter. You can get the sander, the buffer. I don't really recommend the buffer. The buffer is not. The light's really good. The inflator and the radio and the circular saw. And then you got the router, the rotary tool, and then the fan. The fan, I really like. I have the fan, I have the lights. Pretty good stuff. I do have the buffer, but I don't really like it. It's not one of my, better tools to get basically. All right, we got some Milwaukee deals here. You buy any of these on the left, you get the $2.99 string trimmer. With the kit with the quick lock, you can get the switch tank 4-gallon backpack sprayer. You can get the, I heard that those leak. I don't know. Let me know that in the comment section if you have that backpack sprayer, if it leaks. You can get the blower. I do have that blower. That thing's a beast. $169. Or you can get the edge trimmer. You get yourself a free battery. It is a 5 amp hour battery. You can get you buy one of these, so you can get the $439 2-tool combo kit with the blower and the string trimmer, a battery, and a charger. Or you can get the blower and the blower kit. Get yourself a 6 amp hour high output battery. And they do have all these kits here currently at this store. Not all the stores have them, but you can probably just go online and pick them up if if your store doesn't carry them. Which I would suggest you do that anyways, because you can save time on going and finding the tool and all that, unless you like searching for your tools. Alright, so we got the clearance section here. We got some Milwaukee gloves. Not a whole lot of clearance at this time. So down from $12.97 down to $9.97. And we got this Hampton Bay. This fan is like an exhaust fan, $35. So that's a really good deal on this one because it's one of the more expensive ones. Alright, they got all sorts of nails and screws on clearance. So if you guys need something like a roofing, it's a 1 1/4, 1 pound. And then they got the fiber cement board screws, $13.50. And then again, if you guys are interested in any of these items, you guys get make sure you guys scan them because they might be a lot lower than what it says here. You got reduced 25% down to $18.73 for this. Then you got the filters there for a Ridgid 2-pack of filters, $39.88. Alright, so you got the nailers here, the Fuel 18-gauge brand nailer, $279. The narrow crown stapler. And then the framing and the compressor are. Alright, so you got some of the other deals here. Well, not really deals. I would say the nailers are a little bit discounted. It's not a whole lot of discount on these. We've seen these a lot more cheaper before. And then this is the Fuel oscillating tool for $229. Yeah, it's a bit pricey on that one. Good deals on these guys, however. $12.88 for the Diablo, your choice here. You got some nice Jigsaw Blades. So definitely stock up on these. If you guys do this for a living, make sure you guys stock up on these now that they're on sale. Usually they go on sale once or twice a year. You got the Jigsaw Blades, 7 1/4. So definitely check it out. You guys know Diablo is one of the better ones out there. And then these are just framing circular saw blades. They're not fine cut or fine. Got $14.97 the 2-pack of fastbacks. And then you got this one with the screwdriver. So your choice here if you guys want to get this one, or you can get the 2-pack. I would definitely go for the 2-pack. It does have some blade storage inside. Well, at least on this one. So pretty good deal on that. You got some refills there for $9.97. It's a 50-pack. So pretty good deal on this. Not crazy, but it's still pretty good deal, pretty solid. Got Demolition Gloves there, 1997. So it does have the smart swipe, so you guys can use your cell phone with that. You got the anti-scratch lenses. So you got a pack of 3 there, pretty decent. I prefer the anti-fog, which are those there, $14.97. Safety glasses, fog free. Then you got the high visibility, and those are the fog free safety glasses. Alright, at the other Home Depot that I went to, I don't know if you guys saw last, they did have the buy one get one free. So you buy that $79.97 and you get that battery portable charger for free. I don't know if they're still doing this. I don't know if it was just for last week, but at this store they did not have that. So, alright, so they got these sockets. They're really nice sockets. I really like the indentations, the big white letters. Alright, so they got these BOGO deals. They still got these BOGO deals. A lot of tools left. You can get these with the cheaper kit for the one with the $199 battery starter kit. You guys could get all these tools. You can get the hydraulic, the search. You get the hammer drill, the sander, or the lights with the $199 kit. So that's a pretty good deal on that one. And then for the one on the right, you can get the better ones. I would think it's the better kit to get, especially those high output batteries are worth it. That rocket light's really good deal. It's heavy, it's big, but you know what? It is really powerful, and you definitely need those 2 6s to operate it. It's big, but it's very power hungry. You can get the vacuum. The vacuum's a really good deal. Make sure you guys get the vacuum, the light. The router's pretty good. The hacksaw, not the best deal to get, but you're still gonna get a good discount on the hacksaw. Definitely the router's a good one to get. That's the hacksaw there at the bottom. Another good one to get is this 3/8 impact wrench. So definitely that is one of the ones to get there. 250 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, so you got the angle grinder here. It's not too bad, actually, pretty good angle grinder. You get this is the rocket light, guys. Definitely check it out. Best value, $229. That thing's a monster. That thing's a beast. It lights up my whole backyard. You got $79 for the mounting fan. I believe I don't believe you can get this one for free. I believe it's just to buy it for 79 bucks. Alright, so you got some $99 deals here. You got a reciprocating saw kit, a 2 battery deal. $19.97 for the 10-piece Jigsaw Blades, and you get a free wrecker. So definitely check it out. Pretty good deal on this one. You got $179 for the installation driver. You got $69 for the 2 CP 1.5s, or $49 for the power source, M12 power source, which I think is still a little pricey because you can probably, I don't know. I think it's a little pricey just for a power source. You can get the 3-piece countersink for $19.97, or the right angle adapter. That right angle adapter, that's a really good deal on that one. Well, not a really good deal, but that's a really good tool to have. If you don't have one, you do construction. That's a good tool to have. Alright, so you got the BOGO deals here for Ryobi HP. This one's not included in this deal. This was a $299 deal for tool combo kit. So that's pretty good on this one. Somebody starting out. Alright, so these are the tools that are included with this HP starter kit. So you get the circular saw, the reciprocating saw, the brushless rotary tool, which is the newer one. You get the oscillating tool. So this is these are all some examples you guys could use with this rotary tool. So a bunch of different options, and if you guys do a lot of smaller parts, or fine woodworking or plastics or whatever. So this is the kit you have to buy. So $199, you're gonna get a 6, a 4, and a 2, and you can choose any of those tools for free. So these are the new, the better batteries. These are the HP batteries. The gray ones, obviously the best ones. You get any of those tools on the top for free. Obviously the chainsaw is one of the better ones to get. That impact wrench is a good one to get. It's a 4.5 inch impact wrench. You get the hammer drill is pretty solid. So that is up to 600 foot-pounds on the impact wrench. And then you got inch pounds, 750 inch pounds on that. You can get the angle grinder, the jigsaw. That is the angle grinder there. That's the jigsaw. And then you got the chainsaw. Definitely that's a good one to get. I'm still thinking of getting that chainsaw. A brushless 10-inch chainsaw. And then you got the jet fan blower. So it just depends on what you're looking for, but definitely the chainsaw is one of the better ones to get with this deal. Alright, you got this one on clearance, or was, or new lower price. So down to 26 bucks. Some shorts. Alright, you got the Ridgid 3-tool combo kit. At $269, it does come with the compressor and the hose, everything to start up. Down from $299. You got the Ridgid boxes. These are solid deals, guys. If you guys want to, get something that's gonna last you long, don't want to spend the pack out money or the DeWalt money, you guys can go straight to Ridgid. They'll take care of you. These are great boxes for the professional. They'll last. And as you guys see, the prices are not too expensive. They're pretty decent. And then I got the new tumblers here. This is the Milwaukee Tumblers. So I ended up picking one of these. I'll let you guys know how this thing works. But they are compatible with the pack out, so you guys can set it in your pack out on the top and pretty much carry your coffee in the mornings or whatnot, soda. Alright, you got the new fan here. This is a new cordless fan from Joby, 59 bucks. Alright, this is the bucket top misting fan, $99. And then this is a newer hybrid fan, Whisper series or whatever they call it, misting, $199. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free from Joby. This is a cheaper deal that they got. So this is a $99 deal. So you basically buy those batteries, those two cheaper batteries for $99. You get yourself one of the ones on the top. You can choose from any of those. And definitely the fans are worth it. The lights, the fans, the router, circular saw, all those are pretty much great deals to buy with this kit. So that's the 2 battery pack right there, 3-year warranty. So I have these. I use them for the lights. I use them for the fans. So I mean they're good batteries. So you can use them on the HPs. They are compatible, but they're mostly based for lights and fans and stuff like that. So that is the radio there. That's the light. I do have that light. That thing's a beast. It's really powerful. Got the rotary tool. You got the inflator. You got the compact glue gun. Which those tools are not worth getting with this deal, guys. You want to get the most expensive, which is the fan or stuff like that you want to get. So that is the fan. I do have this thing. This thing works pretty good. You can get this one. This one's a really good one to get. I do have it. I do use it. It's a little heavy, but it works. It works really well. So definitely check it out. I want to get this one. This one's the good one to get too. 150 watt power source, battery inverter. You can pretty much power anything that's a small appliance that's 150 watts. So you can get it, and then you can get the orbital buffer, which I would not recommend, like I said before. You get the angle grinder, or you can get the router, the jigsaw. Alright, so that is the circular saw. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hit the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make retro review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.